Hey everybody, in this short video I'm going to show you how to accomplish the task you see above. This program will make a motor spin on and off with the control of a bump switch. The operator will be able to repeat this on-off command forever. If you watched any of our previous videos, you saw that we have begun with a very simple program of start motor, wait, and stop, and we've just added through an iterative design process one thing at a time. And the next item we're going to be adding is our repeat forever command. This is a little bit more controlling of our program than any other thing that we've done so far, and we're going to get into a little bit of new stuff. With my pseudocode, I want to begin here, and I want to add at the very beginning, unlike my task description, I want to add in my pseudocode at the very beginning my repeat forever. So on line 19, where my cursor currently is, I'm going to write in, or type in, repeat forever. And then I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to repeat forever this next group of 4 commands. Repeat forever, on bump, start, until bump, stop. And in order to find my repeat forever command, I'm going to be looking, instead of under our natural language drop-down, where we've previously been looking, I'm going to look under control structures. This is our first time getting into control structures. This is where I can really get bossy with my programming and manipulate my program with a little bit more control. Specifically in control structures, I'm still looking at natural language because it still is something that I would say naturally. Repeat forever. Inside natural language, I will have 4 options. Wait until, repeat forever, that's the one we want, repeat a specific number of times, or repeat until. Just getting our feet wet with our first control structure, I'm going to take this set of syntax and slide it into my program. The really cool thing about ROBOTC that I appreciate so much is once I understand how the curly brackets work, and I understand that taking my things that I am learning and working with from my text functions, sliding them into my program, it's going to give me the right syntax. I just need to know what to do with it. So my repeat forever command looks like this. I brought it in. Repeat forever, curly bracket, and in black it says body, and then a red curly bracket. Remembering back to what we learned a while ago, that anytime we see any letters in black, it's something that I need to edit a little bit further. And the thing that I need to add here for body is the body of the program that I've already got working successfully. Now that is these 4 commands: until bump, start, until bump, stop. I can simply take this program, highlight all of it, Control X this time to cut it out because I don't need to do it again, and then highlight where it says body, and then do a Control V to paste it in. It's absolutely imperative that I not goof up any of the pre-existing syntax in my program. Remembering that syntax is the things like the curly brackets and the semicolons and the parentheses. White space doesn't matter, but my curly brackets are really, really important. If I go in and delete this curly bracket, I will get a warning when I compile my program. It says you've generated your code, but you have an error. And down on the bottom it says I have an unexpected parenthesis, and I am missing one because I changed the original syntax that was copied in from my text function dropdown. I can simply go back to my keyboard and type in what I missed, holding down my shift button and then typing in my right curly bracket. Now I can go in and compile my program, and it is correct now. So important when we're adding in more control that we don't change the syntax, and we don't try to add something else new at the same time. Just repeating that iterative design process. One new thing, one more new thing.